Sultanpur National Park. Sultanpur National Park, formerly Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, is located at Sultanpur village on Gurugram Jhajjar Highway, 15 km from Gurugram, Haryana, and 50 km from Delhi in India. This covers approximately 142.52 hectares. Sultanpur National Park Sanctuary is wildlife national park. Next, Corbett National Park, UP. Project Tiger was initiated in 1973 and its foundation was laid at this national park. It is named after a famous animal protectionist, Corbett National Park, UP. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest national park in India and was established in 1936 as Haley National Park to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. It is located in Nainital district and Puri Garhwal district of Uttarakhand and was named after Jim Corbett, a well-known hunter and naturalist. The park was the first to come under the Project Tiger initiative. Jim Corbett National Park. This is a figure of Bengal tiger in Corbett. The park has sub-Himalayan belt, geographical and ecological characteristics, and ecotourism destination. It contains 488 different species of plants and a diverse variety of fauna. The increase in tourist activities, among other problems, continues to present a serious challenge to the park's ecological balance. Corbett has been a haunt for tourists and wildlife lovers for a long time. Tourism is only allowed in selected areas of Corbett Tiger Reserve so that people get an opportunity to see this landscape and wildlife. In recent years, the number of people coming here has increased dramatically. Presently, every season more than 70,000 visitors come to the park. Corbett National Park comprises 520.8 square kilometers or 201.1 square miles area of hills, riverine belts, marshy depressions, grasslands, and enlarged lake. Number 5. A national park in Navsari district of Gujarat, basically for protecting leopards along with other animals. So once the Gujarat, this is the entry gate of Waghai. Once the main road location, the red point indicates the actual location of once the Gujarat. Vansa National Park, also known as Bansta National Park, is a protected area which represents the thick woodlands of the Dangs and southern Gujarat and is situated in the Vansa Tehsil, Navsari district of Gujarat state, India. Riding on the banks of Ambika River and measuring roughly 24 square kilometers in area, the park lies about 65 kilometers east of the town of Chikhali on the National Highway 8 and about 80 kilometers northeast of the city of Valsad. Once the town from which the name of the park is derived is an important trading place for the surrounding area where the majority of the population is represented by Adivasis. Once the Vangai state highway runs through the park, so does the narrow gauge rail link connecting Ahwa to Bilimora. It was established in 1979 as a national park. The deciduous forest area having groves of kathas, bamboo, owes its beauty to no felling of trees since 1952. Nestled in the best ghats of Sahyadri range, it is a unique flavor of fauna population. Apart from the botanical garden, some of the other attractions include local tribes, Gira Falls, and the conservation center. As a part of developing ecotourism, Gujarat government has developed a campsite at Kilad. There is also a deer breeding center maintained by Nature Club Surat in this region. The best time to visit is post-monsoon season till winter when the forests are lush green and streams are full. The last one, this national marine park is Gough in Kutch, hosts a variety of sea creatures and vegetation. It is Piritan, Jamnanagar, Gujarat. Piritan Island. Piraten Island is an Arabian Sea island in the Marine National Park, Jamnagar district of Gujarat state, India. It is located 12 nautical miles up the coast, consists of mangroves and low tide beaches, and has an area of 3 square kilometers. Rosie Island is located about 10 kilometers to the southeast. Range 42,596 meter, maximum length 1 kilometer. It's in Piraten Island. So almost we have completed today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day.